Hello. So this is the addition snake game. Um, I know that it's kind of been hard to see it virtually, so that's why we're gonna give this lesson again as a recording, so you can go back and watch it again and watch it and see how we can put it together. And the reason we're doing the addition snake game, it helps us like get more fluent with our addition facts. It also reinforces like ways that we can make 10, and it's helping us to solve an addition sentence that has multiple add-ins. Um, so without further ado, so here is my virtual snake game, and you can of course play with your colored beads. If you've already made your colored beads, then you can do that. The only thing is you will also need to make a bead stair, which you should have black and white beads included in addition to your colored beads. And you will just make them like one black bead, two black beads, three, four, five. And then when you get to six, you'll make it with five black beads and one white, five black beads and two white, five black, three white, and then five black and four white to make nine. You don't obviously don't need to make a 10 because we are going to be turning our colored snake into a golden snake. So every time we get 10 and a number 10, we're going to exchange that for our golden bead here. Okay. So you can see here we have this problem with several add-ins. We have 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 7. So I need to start off by making my snake. So I have 5 plus 6. Now, when you're doing this at home, if you're using your real colored beads, you can make your snake touch. I kind of have to, just because of the way Google Slides is, kind of put them like, going up, down like that, just so it helps me when it comes time to change our snake, it helps me grab it easier. Okay, 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 7. My snake is pretty long. It's kind of starting to go off the. Okay, so now I'm going to double check to make sure I made my snake right. I've got 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 7. Yep, good. All right, so we're going to add 5 and 6. So we can, of course, count the colored beads if we don't know yet what 5 plus 6 is. Then we can count up from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 and 6 make 11. I'm going to put them down here. And 11, I know, is 110. And 1 unit. And this is where our bead stair comes into place because that's that placeholder for 1. I'm not going to go over to my colored beads and get a 1 out. This is that 1 left over from 5 plus 6. So now I can add 1 plus 3. Okay, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9. Well, I know 4 plus 10 is 14. So 4 plus 9 would be 1 less than that, would be 13. So I can put my 1 back over here with my bead stair, and my colored beads are going to come down here, the ones that I added. and I said 13, so that is 110 and 3 units. So I get my 3 from my bead stair. Okay, now I have 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. I don't have 10 yet. 8 plus 8, ooh, that's a doubles fact. 8 plus 8 is 16. If I don't know what that is, I can, of course, count up on my colored beads. 16. So I put my 3 back over here with my bead stair, and all of these that I added come down here. Oh, oh goodness, I ran out of, well, that's no good. Don't know where all my, goodness. uh, well, maybe I can make a copy of this. There we go. So I said 16. So that's 110 and 6 units. So I get my 6 from my bead stair. And now I just need to add 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 make 13. So I put my 6 back over here on the bead stair. My 7 goes down here. And I need a 10. So I'm going to need another 10. And 3 from my bead stair. And there's our answer. So our answer is 10, 20, 30, 40, 43. 43. But I'm not quite done. I want to make sure and check my answer. See that we did it right. So that's down here. It says proof. So based off of, I'm going to be matching up my colored beads to, and this 3 we also match up to. But I ran out of room, so I'm going to put it right there on the side. Okay, so ways to make 10. I know that 9, see how good I can line these up here. 9 and 1 make 10. Almost pretty good. So 9 and 1 make 10. I know that 6 and 4 make 10. Eh. That's pretty close. 6 and 4 make 10. I know 7 and 3 make 10. See what I mean? It's hard to tell which one of these I'm touching and moving. Like I was trying to move the pink one, but instead I was moving the white one. That's pretty close. Okay. And then I know 5 and 5 make 10. I have 1 5 right here. And then I have 8. So I can exchange this 8 over here in my colored beads for a 5 and a 3. Because I want another 5, and then I have 3. So 5 and 5 make 10. And then guess what? I have 3 left over that matches up with the 3 from my bead stair. So it lines up, everything matches up. We did our snake correctly, and our answer is 43. Okay, let's do another one. Here we have 9 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 7. Woo! So let's make our snake. 9 plus 3. I don't know if you guys can hear the piano music going on underneath me. My landlord teaches piano, and so there's usually piano music going on throughout the day. 6 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 7. So I need 2 white ones. I'm going to put them up here because I'm running out of room. My snake is so long. Okay. And let me double check. 9 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 7. Good to go. All right. So first up, we have 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 makes 12. So I'm going to put my colored beads down here. And I have 12 is 110 and 2 units. Okay. Now I'm going to add 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And now I have 9 plus 8. I'm just going to go ahead and count up 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that is 17. I'm going to keep that in my head while I put everything where it's supposed to go. I need to put my 2 back over here by my bead stair, and the color beads that I added are going to go down here. Okay, and then I need to get out 17, which is 110 and 7 units. 7 over here from my bead stair. And now I can keep adding. So I have 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. So I put my 7 back. My 4 goes down here. And 11 is 110 and 1 unit. So I need my black bead right there. Okay. Can kind of move stuff. All right, so I have 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 plus 7 is 15. So my 1 goes over here, and the ones that I add come down here. So I added 1 of these 7s, so it comes down. And I said that was 15. So that is a 10 and 5. So now I just need to add 5 plus 7 is 12. And if I don't know, I can just count up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 plus 7 is 12. So that goes back. This comes down. And my snake's so long, I'm just going to put it up here. 12. 110 and 2 units. Okay. So now let's see what our answer is. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52. So I'm going to put 52 here, and then I'm going to check. So I'm going to bring my 10s down, and I'm going to find my ways to make 10. for the sake of space, I'm going to put the other two 10s and the 2 over here. Okay, ways to make 10. 9 and 1 make 10. Okay, 9 and 1 make 10. 8 and 2 make 10. That's good enough. 7 and 3 make 10. It looks like it's, let's see, I thought I was moving this one. It's really hard to get it. Really hard to get it. And that's about the green one. Yeah. Lined up. I'm really trying to get it lined up because we would do that with the real ones, but that's about as good as it's going to get. Okay, 7 and 3. Good enough. Okay, 6 and 4 make 10. That one comes up here. It might be pretty much impossible to get it exactly lined up. So 6 and 4 make 10. And then I have a 7 and a 5, which makes 12. But I can put this 7 here. And I know 7 and 3 make 10. So I want to exchange this 5 for 3 and 2. 3 and 2 make 5. Oops. And then I can put this 3 here with the 7 to complete my 10. And I have 2 left over, which matches up with my 2. So we did it correctly. Our answer is 52. Okay, so you have 3 slides to do here on your own. You can use the virtual snake game. If you want to, of course, do it with your colored beads, you can do that and just make sure and type the answer into the slides. Okay, enjoy.